Every second, our bodies are quietly working miracles. Among these miracles are stem cells, tiny powerhouses that hold the key to our health, vitality, and longevity. These remarkable cells are the unsung heroes of our bodies, performing countless tasks that are essential for our well-being. They are the builders, the fixers, the renewers. When tissues are damaged, stem cells leap into action, repairing and regenerating cells. They keep our bodies in balance, ensuring our organs function at their best. But their potential goes even further. Some scientists believe that by harnessing the power of stem cells, we may even be able to extend our lifespan. Imagine that, a longer, healthier life, all thanks to these microscopic powerhouses. The question then becomes, how can we support these vital cells? The answer lies in our diet. Now let's unlock the secret to boosting these extraordinary cells naturally through the power of nutrition. First on our list is a beloved drink known for its rich antioxidants, green tea. This humble beverage, steeped in centuries of tradition, holds the key to not just your morning pick-me-up, but also a healthier, potentially longer life. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, with one type in particular playing a pivotal role in boosting stem cell production. This type is called polyphenols. These naturally occurring compounds work to protect our cells from damage. But their benefits don't stop there. Polyphenols also stimulate the growth of stem cells, those magical little entities responsible for repairing and regenerating our bodies. Now you might be wondering how this process works. It's actually quite fascinating. When you consume green tea, the polyphenols it contains go to work. They act as a sort of bodyguard for your cells, warding off harmful free radicals that can cause damage. In doing so, they create an environment where stem cells can thrive, multiply, and go about their business of repairing and renewing your body. But the wonders of green tea don't end with stem cells. Recent studies have suggested that the polyphenols in green tea could also have anti-aging properties. They may help to slow down the aging process, keeping us youthful in both body and spirit. So, next time you brew a cup, remember you're not just enjoying a soothing beverage, you're nurturing your body's very building blocks. Our second drink is a sweet and tangy delight, pomegranate juice. A fruit steeped in ancient history, the pomegranate has long been recognized for its health benefits. But what might surprise you is how it aids in stem cell production. This juicy fruit's secret lies in its rich concentration of antioxidants, compounds that play a crucial role in protecting our cells from damage. Pomegranate juice is a powerhouse of these antioxidants, even more so than red wine and green tea. These antioxidants help to clear out harmful free radicals from our bodies, creating a healthy environment for stem cells to thrive and regenerate. But the health benefits of pomegranate juice don't stop there. The fruit is also rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. Inflammation can be a barrier to stem cell function, hindering their ability to repair and regenerate tissues in our bodies. The anti-inflammatory properties of pomegranate juice help to reduce this barrier, allowing our stem cells to function at their best. So the next time you're reaching for a drink, consider a glass of pomegranate juice. Not only does it offer a sweet and tangy flavor that's sure to delight your taste buds, but it's also a drink that supports your body's stem cells. A glass of pomegranate juice does more than quench your thirst. It's a toast to your longevity. Third, we have a favorite breakfast staple, the blueberry smoothie. Nothing quite says good morning like this vibrant, fruity blend. But did you know that this delicious drink is also a powerhouse for stem cell production? That's right. Blueberries, the heart and soul of this smoothie, are packed to the brim with antioxidants and flavonoids. Now you might be wondering, what are these antioxidants and flavonoids and how do they affect our stem cells? Well, antioxidants are nature's way of protecting our bodies from harmful free radicals. These free radicals can cause cellular damage, potentially leading to a range of health conditions. Flavonoids, on the other hand, are a type of plant chemical known for their potent health benefits. They have been linked to everything from heart health to brain function. But more importantly, for our discussion, they've been shown to support stem cell growth. So when you blend up a blueberry smoothie, you're not only treating yourself to a delicious breakfast, but also giving your body a hefty dose of these powerful compounds. Now imagine, starting your day with a drink that not only tastes good, but also helps your body regenerate and rejuvenate. It's almost like having a personal fountain of youth in your kitchen. A blueberry smoothie to start your day is indeed a sweet and healthy way to longevity. Last but not least, a comforting and healing drink, turmeric milk. This golden elixir is a staple in Ayurvedic medicine, and it's not just because of its vibrant color or its warm, earthy flavor. The magic lies in turmeric, a spice that has been celebrated for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. The superstar in turmeric is a compound called curcumin, which is what gives turmeric its characteristic golden hue. But more than its color, curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It's like a superhero for your stem cells, protecting them from inflammation and oxidative stress, two of the biggest threats to their health and longevity. But curcumin doesn't just defend your stem cells, it also promotes their proliferation. This means it helps your body produce more stem cells, which are essential for repairing damaged tissues and maintaining overall health. It's like having your own personal repair team, working around the clock to keep you in top shape. Now let's talk about how you can incorporate this golden spice into your diet. One of the easiest and most delicious ways is by making turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. All you need is a cup of milk, a teaspoon of turmeric, and a bit of black pepper to increase the absorption of curcumin. Heat it up, stir well, and voila! You have a comforting, healing drink that's perfect for any time of day. A warm cup of turmeric milk before bed isn't just soothing, it's a lullaby for your stem cells. As we conclude, remember, the secret to longevity lies within us, in our stem cells. We've explored 4 amazing drinks that help unlock this potential. Green tea, with its rich antioxidants, boosts stem cell production and supports overall health. Pomegranate juice, a powerhouse of nutrients, stimulates cell regeneration for a youthful glow. The blueberry smoothie, packed with anthocyanins, enhances cell proliferation, promoting longevity. And let's not forget turmeric milk, an age-old recipe which fortifies our stem cells, enhancing their power to restore and rejuvenate. These drinks are more than just a pleasant sip. They're a toast to life, a celebration of vitality. By incorporating them into our daily routines, we can actively contribute to our own well-being, longevity, and quality of life. So, cheers to your health, vitality, and longevity. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Until next time, live well and thrive.